Hello, my name is Siddharth and I made the JOBLINKER. It is an app that helps you find the jobs that are latest and relevant to your needs. I will be discussing why I made JOBLINKER, the idea behind JOBLINKER, and how can you use it. Why JOBLINKER? We all have tried searching jobs through sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and Naukri.com. But either the jobs we have searched had a large number of applications, were not recent, or were not relevant to our experiences. The idea behind JOBLINKER. The idea behind JobLinker is simple. We provide the latest and relevant jobs just using a simple Google search. JobLinker uses a resume and tags that you provide to search from thousands of jobs posted online on Google through the Google Search API. The data extraction from the resume is simple. We just use the Gemini API, which delivers the results at 100% accuracy all the time. How can you use it? You can access JobLinker at JobLinker.versal.app, and this is the results it gives us. These are link to jobs, a little description, and title. Now I'll give a live example of JobLinker. So here I provide the resume. Then I will provide tags like India and remote. You can also enter languages so that it searches to the specific language you input. Now I will do search. It takes a little time as it is in the free instance. A earlier similar search returned this. So these are links to jobs. It might also contain some documentation and blog posts, but mostly it gives links to jobs. It gives us some hundreds and sometimes even a thousand of jobs based on a resume and the tags you provided. Now we'll discuss how it works. This is an example resume. The Gemini API converts it into structured data like this, which contains the languages, the frameworks, and different things about the resume. Then I convert this to searchable strings using keywords like in text and sometimes in URLs. And then these are searched using the Google Search API. And this is the architecture. The backend is deployed on render, and I use Golang for building the backend. This backend makes requests to the Gemini and the Google Search API. The frontend is deployed on Vercel and using TypeScript, Tailwind, and React. Now it has searched the jobs. As you can see, it has returned the links to a lot of jobs based on the resume and the tags you provided. And these jobs are all relevant to you. The code is available at this Black Gemini challenge. And the tagline for this is a search is worth 1,000 jobs. You can contact me using my email and through my Git Hub. Thank you.